In this video, we're going to show you how to navigate through Facebook Business Manager and how you can use its tools to grow and measure your business. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn one thing that will save you a lot of time when running Facebook ads. Hola amigo, I'm Sebastian Cardenas from Amigos Media, where we help you modernize your marketing with the power of social media. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button below to see more videos from us, and all links mentioned in the video will be linked down below. Let's first get started by going to Business Manager. The easiest way to get to Business Manager is simply by typing in Business Manager Facebook. And it's going to be the first link that pops up. If you already have an account, it'll automatically sign you in. If you don't have a Business Manager account, then you'll want to watch our last video where we show you how to set one up in 3 simple steps and more. Now let's go through Business Manager and show you the tools you can use to grow your business in 2020. Now, when you first start off, you're going to end up on the home page where you're asked to select a business. So I already have 3 accounts, but I selected this dummy account just for this video. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys the main tools that we use at Amigos Media to effectively provide marketing for our clients. So on the home page, you're going to see ad accounts, pages, and their performance, also any new alerts. Obviously, you don't see anything right now because this is a dummy account, so I don't have any ad accounts or pages linked to it, but this is where you would see all your performance overall. Now let's first go to Events Manager. In Events Manager, you'll find Facebook Pixel and offline events. A Facebook Pixel is a piece of code that you can attach to your website that will allow you to track data between Facebook and your website, such as add to carts, purchases, or people that have visited your site. This is very useful for you for other things like audiences, which I'll explain a little bit later. Offline events allow you to compare offline conversions from a physical store to the list of people who saw or clicked on your ads. So offline events is mainly for any business who has a physical store. So an e-commerce store wouldn't be ideal for this. Now let's check out Ads Manager. Okay, it took me back to the home screen because I don't have any pages or ad accounts linked. However, when you do, you'll see that it'll say account overview, you'll see campaigns, ad sets, and ads. So account overview is just an overview between your entire business account and all the pages you have. And campaigns is where you click the overall objective that you would like to do for your ads, such as conversions or awareness or just trying to reach people as much as you can, for example. And ad sets is where you do targeting, such as where people live, where you're targeting, the type of people you're targeting, and where you want to place your ads within Facebook and Instagram. And ads is where you do the creative, such as the pictures and the ad copy for the ad itself. When it comes to running Facebook ads, this is where most of the action will take place. Now, let's head over to Analytics. It might do the same because I don't have any pages or ad accounts linked to it. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's signing me into one of my ad accounts. So as you can see, this is one of the pages that I have connected to my business accounts, and you can see it has a Facebook pixel, it has the page, and I'm not going to go too into it, but you can see data from all your ad accounts and your pages in Ad Analytics. So when you get to audiences, you'll have the option of creating a custom audience, a lookalike audience, or a saved audience. A custom audience is an ad targeting option that allows you to find existing audiences among people on Facebook. So let's say you have a customers list that you can use, or website or app traffic that you already have data for, you can use that. Or if you have engagement on your Facebook pages, you can also use that to target those specific audiences. And lookalike audiences are lists of people that you can target with your ads who are similar to people who are already engaging with your business. So it's basically like finding a fan of your page and then finding someone who is similar to that person so that they're more likely to become a fan of your page. And another thing you can do is add any audiences that you already have saved, any data you have. Now let's move on. I'm just going to change back to the dummy account real quick, and then we're going to check out a tab called Account Quality. So it's right here. Yeah, I don't have anything, but here's where you will find any rejections or violations against ad policies within your ad accounts or your pages. So this is useful to keep mind of so that you know you're not violating or having your ads rejected too much, because I think there is penalties for doing that, such as closing your business manager account entirely, which is not a good thing. You definitely don't want to do that, so be careful of that. Last but not least, we're going to head over to the business settings. All right, let's go back to this account, the dummy account. And this is where all the information is within that business. So you can add partners here if you want within your business. This is where you would connect any pages that are associated with your business, also ad accounts or Instagram accounts. You can also see any data sources that you have connected to this business, such as pixels or audiences. And you'll also be able to see any payment options within ad accounts that you have permission to see. And that is it for Business Manager as a whole. These are the tools that we use at Amigos Media to effectively market for our clients. Now I'm going to reveal the number one thing that you can do or learn, which will help you and save you a lot of time when running Facebook ads, and that is learning the advertising policies for Facebook. Now, as I said before, you do not want to have your business manager marked for having too many rejections or violating too many policies. So a way to prevent this and save a lot of time is to just go through this really quickly. It's a little long, but it's definitely worth the time because you're able to see what you can and cannot say or post on Facebook, which is very useful that they even provide for us. So why not take advantage and look at this so that we can stay within their guidelines and post ads that are effective and don't get rejected. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you found any value. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being our amigo.